Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing a fantastic day today. And of course, as soon as I started this video, someone decides to mow their lawn. But hey, what are you gonna do? I can't control people's lives. But anyway, today's video is gonna be a good one because we got one of these to install today. That is the F1 style rear brake light, tail light, reverse light, you know, whatever. I'll show you. I already kind of have a little bit torn apart because you need to take the trunk liner out to get to it. But that little light is going to go right here. It's going to be a pretty simple install. Hopefully there isn't any hookups along the way, but yeah. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's what we have going on the car today. We have this, the light, and then we have, I got this all from Subi Bros, so I'll put them down in the description below. Small little Portland shop, but they have awesome products on there. So yeah, I got the light, I got the plug and play harness, and two little clips I believe that are going to be used for this. I'm actually going to be watching their YouTube video again, Subi Bros, on how to install it, and then I'll kind of transfer that over to this video. So yeah, huge shout out to Subi Bros. They make awesome stuff. We should have them down below. And yeah, let's go over to the trunk and get to the install. Alrighty, so in the trunk, from what I understand so far, you're gonna take your entire trunk liner out. Obviously not like you're not gonna need to take the spare out or anything, but you're gonna need the mat, the spare tire cover, and if you have a rubber Subaru cover, you need to take that out as well. And then this guy just went like right here, so you just pull that out. Set that outside, this off, and then there's gonna be wiring that we have to do. But we have the plug and play, so it should be super easy. Alright, so for this stage of the game, all you're gonna need is this body tool right here. And that is just to remove the clips that run along the face of this trim piece. And then once we get this off, then we'll work our way over to this guy to get access to this guy. And from that point on, it just kind of goes downhill, literally, because we're going to be down underneath the bumper. So I will pop this guy off, and then I'll move on to the next step. So you can see where the tabs were, all three of them. So it's sitting like this. Boom. 1, 2, and 3. And you quite literally just pull right up, and this thing just pops out like magic. And as you can see right here, there is 4 tabs right here that just get released from these tabs. There's some tabs on the bottom here, and then so that's where you're gonna press when you put back in. But now we are going to tackle the driver's side little light cover right there, and then that's gonna pop off. You're just gonna pull it forward, peel it back, and then we'll get into the wiring in a little bit. Alright, now that you have peeled this back, we're actually going to get closer, and you're going to see more of me. So we could take a look at that wiring, and then we'll get even closer and get down to the bottom there, so I can show you how to actually install a light. So boom! Alrighty, so now we are just going to unplug this right here, and then we have our plug and play harness. You literally just plug this in, boom, and then plug this in, or excuse me, I think it's gonna go like this actually. Plug this in to the lights, plug this in to this when it comes off, and then this is gonna go to your actual light. Very simple. So let me just slap her in real quick. Alrighty, so this is all connected now. This is to the main harness for the actual lights. This is where it would plug into. And then you got all these guys wired up to your little light. So once you got all these, then you're gonna go underneath the bumper and you're gonna take off two little more of those push pin things. So you gotta lower this part a little bit to get access to this. And then we will take you on the journey of routing it down and to right here. So I'm gonna do some more research and then we'll get back to it. Alright, so the only two clips that you're gonna be removing is this one right here and this one right here. So you can pull it down a little bit and you can get access to that guy right here. Just using this body tool again. And let's get crack-a-lackin'. Alright, so I got the black piece out, right? And on the bottom, there is these two little tabs. And I found it easiest with a pocket screwdriver to just push up and out, and I just fell forward like that, and boom. So you got that. So now this is out. Now it's time to find a routing spot for the light and the wires to go. Well, the wires are literally just gonna go just boop, 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 and then boom. All right, so here's what I have mustered up here. So I unplugged it. I only plugged it in and had it set up right here just so I could test it. Got it all figured out. If you could, let's see. So there is a little body plug right there that I took out, and you're gonna have to modify that a little later. But I have the wires ran through the bumper, right? I have them going through here, and they just go straight up through the bumper and out that plug. Now, you have a little bracket that just hugs it on the back, like so. You have these little guys right here. These are going to go on the side of these, and the screws right there are going to go on the back. And you want to make sure that they're lined up right there, and your little plugs line up right here on the bracket. Bracket goes in like this, obviously through the other way. And my theory is that you put it in, right? Bracket, boom, and then you plug it with these guys, and you screw this to the bracket with those guys, and then you're almost done. So I'm gonna throw you guys on a tripod, and then I'm gonna figure it out. Cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey there, brother. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Got allergies. All right. Now, it's time to put all the clips back. So we're going to put all the clips back that I showed you before underneath the bumper. Those are the 4 clips right there. Oh, yeah, by the way, there's 4 instead of 2. I found 2 more that are right next to the exhaust. So now that we got all that figured out, we're gonna put those 4 clips on the bottom, and then I'm gonna show you how to modify the body plug. You just need to cut a little slit in it for your wires. It'll just go back where we found it, right over here, and we'll keep all the wires nice and tucked up. So, and then once the wires are tucked up, we have it plugged in, and we already tested it out. Everything works great. So I'm gonna get those clips in, go show you how to modify this, and then we'll move on to the next and final step, which is just putting the trunk back together and showing it off to your friends. So yeah, let's get to it. You can stop it now. You catch it? Caught those slits. Alright, so now we're gonna put the plug in after we did the slit. Damn. Good job, buddy. Oh, allergies. Satisfying. Alright, hit it. Wow, it works. Might as well start the car up. Woohoo! Put it in reverse. Put it back in reverse. Okay, good. I was gonna be so mad if one of those didn't work. Whew. Alrighty. It works. It all works. All right. We got it installed. Looks good? Yes. Functions? Yes. Does everything it said it was supposed to do? Yes. I say it's worth the buy. If install on this car, at least, if install wasn't a huge pain in the butt and you don't have a massive allergy attack in the middle of it and don't break or lose half the clips for your trunk, I would recommend this product. Yeah, so I like it. Hope y'all like it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. Helps me out a bunch. And we'll see you guys in the next video. I got more stuff on the way coming. And I got 2 videos popping up right now, so I'll see you guys later. So, later.